Hello guys, good morning. Nandito na naman po tayo sa ating session, Toolbox Talk. 11th topic po natin is the use of portable electrical tools. Napaka-importanting tools po ito at napaka-critical. Okay guys, so umpisa na natin. So number 1 is inspect the tools before use to check whether it has been damaged, if there are wiring or missing parts or damaged guards, damaged triggers, etc. Return the tools to the store for repair. Huwag po natin piliting gamitin kasi ito po ay napakadelikadong tools. Marami po itong mga injury or mga aksidente na pwedeng ibigay sa atin. Make sure that electrical tools had a valid inspection tag before use. Kung meron po kayong safety program regarding inspection of power tools, for sure, color coding ang napaka-the best or tagging ang the best program or implementation sa mga tools. Make sure that all cables, plugs, and connection are undamaged. Gaya ng mga previous video ko, yung pag-inspect ng power tools, ganun po ang gawin ninyo para po kayo makaiwas sa disgrasya. Do not adjust the load or attachment on the site. Make sure that the guards are in place and operational before using the tools. When not using the tools, unplug it. Okay guys, make sure that the lead is long enough to reach the work. Huwag po nating hilahin o shorten tapos inihila natin. Magkakaroon po ng sira at both ends. Make sure that the electrical cables for your tools do not present a tripping hazard for other workers. Tignan po natin kung saan po natin nilalagay yung ating mga tools sa trabaho. Kung medyo makalat po yung cables niya or magulo, ayusin po natin para hindi po tayo makadisgrasya sa ating ibang co-workers. Okay guys? So number 1, do inspection daily po kasi daily po ninyo ginagawa ito. So yung mga attachment po ng tools like grinding blade, make sure po ay na-inspect nyo po yan ng wear and tear at kung may crack, huwag nyo po nang gamitin. Okay guys, thank you very much. If you like the videos, please share, like, and comment and follow my page. Okay, thank you very much guys and see you around.